I've been honest, asked to give an honest review about this OmniShaver. Apparently they're brilliant, fantastic, speedy. As you can see, bristly, 2 days growth. See what it does. I'm just using a regular foam. It's available in the UK. I have to admit, I have used it a couple of times just to get the feel of it. Even on my first time, I'll tell you now, it's fast. Usually when I shave my head, it takes me about 15 minutes, I'll be honest with you. Started using an electric razor which knocked it down to about 10. But this, it's unbelievable. If you shave your head, you need one of these. This is it. This is only the prototype apparently. Hold it firmly. Do back and forth strokes. Here we go. You don't even need really to swill it. As it goes back and forth, well, the only thing I can think is it pulls out the air. Long strokes. It's going to sound daft. But we're nearly there. Just a feel for bristle, you'll feel a couple. You can't get every one straight away. Look at that. Unbelievable. It's me just faffing about now. Yeah, it's done. Finished. Quick swirl. There, absolutely smooth, absolutely brilliant, unbelievable. That's it. OmniShaver. I'm going to be buying some of these. Available in UK in August apparently. Yeah, that's me. That's one.